Hello, it's Maggie in front.
And Kay's lurking in behind.
And this is our Curiouser and Curiouser Alice album, which is coming with a bespoke kit and step-by-step tutorial, YouTube tutorial, and also cutting guides and PDF for you. The complete kit and tutorial will be available, and also the tutorial will be available on its own as well. So it would be rude not to use graphic 45 paper. So I've used 12 by 12 papers here. You get a mixed pack in your kit. So you get 8 by 8, you get 12 by 12, all sorts of things. So you should be impressed.
I'm very impressed.
Okay, so this is the fold over album. So this is the front cover, the spine and the back. And obviously you can foof this up yourself once you've finished, because you'll have loads of papers left over. Cheeky bit of pattern matching. And then we're going to open it out. So plenty of storage here for photos. And then page 1 is a complete waterfall slider page, and that's incorporating our what are they called, curved photo slots, set 1.
Very smooth action there.
Very smooth, isn't it? Ooh. And this is using, I've done 2 colours for the pages and cardstock. I've used our black cat card and also some of our red cat card. Same GSM, 210 GSM, acid and lignin free, and it is beautiful card. In fact, let me turn that over. So I've also got a bit of glue on that one, and it will poke in there like that. So that's your page 1. Page 2 and 3, multiple pockets here, so cheeky bit of pattern matching. There's a pocket there, pocket there, pocket there, pocket there, so there's loads to store and bits and pieces in. And then you think, oh yes, page 3 is exactly the same. Well, it is when you look at it. You've got a pocket there, got a pocket here, got a pocket there, but then you lift this flap up, and this is Karen's design page. Okay, you lift this flap up, ooh, and then you can see you've got 4 places for photo mats here. And then if we turn it to the side, you've got some cheeky hidden tags as well.
A bit clever, that tag,
Karen. So, yeah, so that's that there. And then on the next page, we thought we'd give you a bit of a rest. So this is just a closure tab. This is just one of the pages decorated, and I've just cut out into the pattern and cut little flaps, and then you've got little tiny pockets here, and that closes like that. This one here is another page to keep you challenged. That's using our corner tuck spot. So that is a closure tab. You've got little tiny tags that fit in here, and then they open out, and we've used our walrus pockets here, from pockets and tags. 6 by 4 photo here. That opens up. Is that finished? No, because you've got another flap here.
So, walrus tags are very appropriate for Alice in Wonderland, aren't they?
They are. I'd forgotten that. Yeah, Walrus and the Carpenter. Yeah. Well said, Kay. Yes. Yeah, it would have been very rude not to use them, wouldn't it?
I was here for a reason. That would be it.
Okay, next page. So next page is quite a simple page. This time we've got Mexicans though, not walruses.
Oh, okay.
So Mexican flip flaps cut straight into the page. And then you've got little tiny, we've used our straight photo slot dies. And then we've used our circle photos. And also our other ones here. Now this one here. Now in this sample that you're looking at here, this is all plain. But in the tutorial, I've done it so you can pattern match. So when you open each flap, it'll match with everything else. So lift up and pull up. That way. Lift up and pull right. That way. Lift up and pull down. That way. And then lift up and pull left. That way. And then you've got more storage here. And then you've got lovely pattern matching here. And I've actually patterned match with this on the other flaps as well when you come to do the tutorial. So that one, that one, that one, that one. So that's that one. And don't forget, each pocket page has got page tabs in. And then page 8 is a nice simple one for you. It's cutting a frame, and then you've just got multiple pockets in here. So like this.
Glass a long, strong drink and get the rest of it. Okay.
Yes. Yeah. Okay, but it's all step by step. Just take your time with it and enjoy it. Okay. Bye.
Okay, bye.